Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AYTU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. Another nice day. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines. They've served their purpose for now. And sure, they still pertain to the chart, just not relevant. So from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first key update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into Friday, $1.65, the new ideal level of support. Ideal meaning, if you're to ask, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay up there above $1.65, that would be great, but it's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could hold above there, that would be a great sign of power. Looking at all this from more of the overarching standpoint, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.65 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the level here that stands out to me is this resistance trend line right there, which you can see the price is actually very, very close to potentially breaking. And if the price can't get the break of that level, the key dynamic there being a high volume break. So a high volume break of that trend line right there, no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then make its way up to $2 and potentially even higher than that. So we'll see if the price can get a break above that trend line or not. But all in all, looking like Friday is going to be quite interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.